Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make Sri Lankan omelette. So let's get started. For that you need eggs, salt, green chili, curry leaves, onions, mustard seeds, oil, pepper, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Cut the onions very small. Now also cut the green chilies very small. So this is curry leaves, onions, and green chilies cut very small. In a hot pan, we'll add oil. Once the oil is all hot, let's add mustard seeds, add curry leaves, now let's add onions. Now stir everything together. Now let's add green chilies. Let's add a pinch of salt. Now to this, let's add turmeric powder, chili powder, and a pinch of pepper. Now it's done cooking. Let's keep this aside. Now let's crack the eggs. Whisk it like this. Salt and pepper. Now to this egg, you add the mixture that we had cooked before. Now we have added the mixture that we had prepared previously with the egg whisk. Now we whisk all of that together. Once the pan is hot, let's add some oil. Let's add our omelette mixture. Flip the omelette so it cooks on the other side. Now the egg is done cooking. That's how you make the authentic Sri Lankan omelette. If you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe for similar videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.